Let me teach you on how to make this beautiful bow you can see on the screen. Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is to bring my ribbon and I'm going to place it at the middle part of my finger, and I'll go one and I'll also go again to the second time. Now I'm going to also go ahead and place this on my thumb and go one and also go the second time like this. Then the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to place this here. I'm going to be putting it inside this on my thumb and I'm going to go ahead and drag it out just like this. After doing that, the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to place it inside this part here. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Then I'll also go ahead and tighten the grip there. After doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is to come to my middle finger and I'm going to loosen this one here. Make sure you do it carefully so that you don't scatter the other parts. I hope you understand. So this is it, guys. This is how to make our beautiful bow. So you can just go ahead and drag this upper part up a little bit, and that is all in the making of this bow. So guys, that is all for today's tutorial. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.